Turning now to your first forecast on a day much different than it was a year ago. Let's show you some video here. You remember this? This is a blizzard of 2022 when some areas saw 20 to 30 inches of snow. Now, if you're keeping track, we've only gotten a little under 5 inches of snow in this winter season. You couldn't even see 5 feet in front of you there.
It was incredible. We were prepping for the storm the night before tonight, and then the storm anniversary actually on Saturday. But, you know, being a weekend storm, state handled it pretty well.
Yep.
30 inches of snow, and by Monday, things were kind of back to normal. Take a peek outside.